Hey, welcome back, everybody. Want to quickly show you guys, if you guys happen to have the GoPro.
This would be, you would need the GoPro fingers, right?
Yeah, that's right. This is the GoPro fingers. It's kind of funny name, but it's the GoPro fingers that they just kind of make it with it. That's the 1/4 inch thread in the bottom. Makes it a little bit easier. I mean, you could, you guys could, I guess, buy one of these and then just kind of use this, but this actually has the opposite. So on this, it will be able to go on the bottom of your fingers here. This is what they call them. And again, this is actually, and this one is sits in here very nice. So we're gonna see if it's see how it clicks back in. It goes in there really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So on this, let's take a look. And this one has just a 1/4 inch thread in there. It actually also comes with a.
You guys might have noticed that I'm back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us again.
Yes, I decided right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually.
That's pretty good. I'm glad you're joining us. And again, in here you basically here you get a little package. Let's open this up.
And also we have a new friend.
Oh, who's your new friend?
Green Huggy Wuggy.
All right, glad for Huggy Wuggy to join us too.
Yeah, he says he wants to be in our videos.
All right. Okay, let's take a closer look at the fingers, like you mentioned. And here it is. It looks actually to be a nice, solid device, or not device, but build quality. It feels very good. Pretty solid in there. I don't know if the video can actually capture that in there, but it does. It's got that little, and it's, as you can see there, it kind of, and you can see it's got that magnetic there. So when it goes on there, it holds on there pretty good. So I'm hoping that it doesn't pop out
or break.
Or break, yeah, or because this one doesn't come out at all. I don't know. Actually, that one does have a magnet also in there. You see it? Yeah, just like this one too. See how it's got a magnet there?
Yeah.
So yeah.
That little rectangle circle thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So that way, so let's so is that providing the screwdriver and everything? Let's go ahead and work on this. And I can just this I'll put it here in the video so you guys can see here. So basically you're just gonna have to unscrew this on there. Make sure you set your screws on the side so you guys won't lose them. Let's get the other side really quick. And the only reason that I'm gonna change this, sometimes it's easier that if you happen to have a 1/4 inch thread, so it's easier that you can just screw it on there than rather than go through the
I have a question.
uh-huh.
Where did you buy the GoPro fingers?
Oh, we bought on Amazon. So we'll go ahead and put a link down below and where it's where we purchased it. So if you guys are interested, at least
where we got them.
Yeah, and then that way if you guys are interested, you guys can purchase it as well from online. So let me put these screws here on the side, and then we'll do a real comparison of this, of the original, and then as in the new one. And here you guys can see this. It's actually it's pretty good. It's actually almost the same design and everything. So that's good that it has the same design as you can see there. So you can see that in there it's got the same design kind of, and in the back of course it's got for the 1/4 inch thread in there, so it's gonna be opened in the center, and the other one, as you can see, is closed. So that's pretty good. And then you might want to use the new screws even though you have the older screws in there, and it actually does feel like it's the same type of material, right? You want to test this out and check it out while I'll open this up. While I get the screws out.
What I just noticed is, see how this one does not have a hole right here in the middle? While this one does. That's what I just noticed right now.
Yeah, the hole is there so we can use like an example, a 1/4 inch thread like this, look, from a tripod, so we can just screw it under really fast, and we don't have to mess with what they call the fingers, remember? So you don't have to sit there and then screw this in there like that. So it's
Yeah, for a
hopefully it's
long
much
time.
easier.
Yeah.
And you also, it looks like there's 6 little screws in here, so I'm gonna have 2 extra ones. So let me see. Let me go ahead and put the new one in here, and we'll see how it fits in
That's
here. Oops. Let's go ahead. And of course, you're gonna just set this in there like this. It looks like it doesn't matter which way it goes in there. They all line up really nicely in there. You can see there. So it actually fits there. Very, very. Let me show you guys the like the
Old
original
one?
one.
The old one?
Yeah. See, there's the old one actually fits a little bit tighter. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. And then the new one, it looks like it's got a little bit of a play. Not much, but that's not bad. I still think that's pretty good for being what it is. And this actually the screws, yeah, the screws looks. These are the original screws. Let me see if I can show you guys. The original screws look to be the same size, so I just want to make sure that we have. Let me get those lined up for you there. So yeah, oops. Let's go there. They're so tiny. You can
Yeah,
see
very
there.
tiny.
Yeah,
They're even hard to grab. But
Yeah.
if you have like you know those like screwdrivers that the screws stick onto, I recommend you use those.
Yeah, the magnetic ones.
Yeah, they're better
Yeah, that
and they're
way.
easier.
Yeah, and actually, the only reason I'm using this is because this one came with it. So actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna use my magnetic set here because this one right here is doesn't have magnetic. And let me go ahead and pull my magnetic set here. So
it's very easier.
Yeah, because this one actually has, and it makes it much easier. So let's go look to see what size this is. This looks to be that size, a 15.
It's 15, I guess. Yeah.
No, maybe a. Oh, sorry, a number 2. I think it's a number 2. So let's try with a number 2 and see how that works. And so let me see. See, now we'll be able to
do it easier.
Yeah, that looks like it might be a number. What did we say? Number
Is the 2?
2 or 4?
I think it was 5.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
It was 5.
Make it easier to
do it with a magnetic.
Yeah, because that way it doesn't,
like fall.
This way you can set it in there,
and then screw it at the same time.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Yeah.
And this is very fun.
Yeah, it's pretty fun, huh? It's
just a lot of work too.
Yeah.
But eventually you'll get it.
But we don't want to strip those threads in there, especially on the GoPro side, because once you strip them, forget it. You won't be able to put another screw in there, and then it's not gonna hold in place in there at all. So okay. Nope. So now let's go ahead and I'm gonna just kind of.
Let's move on to the next step.
Yeah. Well, actually, those work pretty good. So those let's see. Let's tighten this up really good, huh?
Yeah. It's very hard and fun.
Yeah. Well, it's not that hard, but.
Well, not that hard. It's like
there you go.
A bit like medium.
And actually, yeah.
It's not that hard.
No,
not at all.
It actually works pretty good. The magnet in there is a simple little magnet, but it holds in there really good.
Do they make those do they make different ones like computer fingers, like for tablets and stuff?
I don't know. They might. So now, like I mentioned to you, now that you have this, you can quickly, just kind of screw this into a, another 1/4-inch thread in here really quick, and now you have a, much faster. Set that aside. Much faster access to take your GoPro off and on from whatever like a device you have, right? Because the other way is not that it's bad. Like for example, let's say we had the you know, just a GoPro one, and let's say you wanted to install it here, just few turns, and you're pretty much done with it. And on this, let's say for example, you wanted to, you know, just put it on the slide or something you wanted to, you would have to, you know, undo this, slide
And do a
this.
lot of steps
Yeah, it's a little bit more steps than normal.
than normal, yeah.
Yeah, because the other way you can just actually, I like the other one. The only time I would use this is actually for my helmet when we're doing a bike ride, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, then you can have it there, and you know, not that it's, I mean, hard. It's just a little bit more time consuming, but yeah. So you guys were interested in picking up the fingers with the 1/4 inch thread. I'll leave the link below, and if you guys were, you know, wanted to get one yourself, you know, feel free to
Watch
click on the
this
link on
video.
there. Yeah, let me. I just want to make sure I don't strip this really good or not at all. So there you go. Very nice. Now it's
Mm-hmm.
I can extend it, you know, put it however I
It's
want.
very easy, but not too easy.
Yeah.
It's like medium easy.
It's like medium easy.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, I hope this video helps. If you guys
Yep.
were interested in picking it up once again.
Yep. And don't forget, we'll leave the comments down below of
The fingers.
if they where we got the fingers, just so you guys know.
Yeah.
And remember.
Got it at Amazon, but I'll put the link below.
Yeah, that way you guys remember.
Yeah. So once again, I want to thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
Any questions, put them in the comments below and we'll try to answer them.
That's right. We'll answer as soon as we can.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us.
Yes, it does. We really appreciate any thumbs up. And if you can subscribe, that helps our channel as well. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.